I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here for the Decorate a Lantern Open Collaboration. This collaboration has the Christmas theme and I cannot wait to decorate my lantern for Christmas. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Special guest, Jennifer at Home. Co-hosts are Design with Emma, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Debbie Bubbles, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, Dream with Caroline, Joyful Decor by Denise, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and Donna Decor and more. Be sure to check out all of the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. A very special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for putting together these really fun open collaborations. I am all set to put my lantern together. I have all of my supplies gathered up and ready to go. I'm going to be decorating this lantern in black and white, snowflakes and ribbon. I have a nice big bow that I put together here real quickly with just some ribbon and a twist tie. I have a snowflake made of wood and some other snowflakes in black thread and scissors. Let me put this together and we'll see just how it turns out. The first thing I'm going to do is take this really nice piece of felt and cut it to size to fit in the bottom of the lantern. This felt is really nice and sparkly, just like snow. The best way to measure the felt for the lantern is to put it in and just make a crease right along the edges where you need to trim it. That way you can take it out and you'll have a really nice line to follow for the size of the square you need for the bottom of the lantern. I purchased these beautiful plastic glittery snowflakes from Hobby Lobby. I have some thread and I'm going to tie it on each snowflake. Just wrap the thread around the top of the lantern and just tie it. The bow will cover the thread at the top of the lantern and our beautiful snowflakes will hang down inside. Now it's time to attach our bow to the top of the lantern. I've added some white lights to the lantern and now let's just take some more snowflakes and start adding in to fill in the space in the bottom of our lantern. Let's take a look and see how our beautiful snowflake lantern turned out. Thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to check out all the other channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.